we've got this one here, and then there's a nail here. So if the nail breaks through the mortar like this, perfect. I can come in, pull it out, good. But right here, you're still recording?
Mm-hmm.
So if it doesn't break through a nail hole, or the mortar, I'm sorry, like this, how am I supposed to access this with a crowbar? You know, can't get in this way, can't get enough leverage this way because of how high it is. Can't grab it from here. So I have to remove this mortar in order to get leverage on this nail. And with the condition that this tile's already in, I mean, it's already broken, it's already shattered, like it has to be replaced. It's just pretty much impossible to do.